Anyway, we have a sweet dancer by the name of Mikey Flazer here to dance for you. And this is the great-granddaughter of Auntie Mikey Ayu, who I called late last night. I go, sister, I need one uli uli dancer. She said, bring the uli uli, I dance for you. So anyway, how about a round of applause? And that's her husband there. Hi, Kaika. Where's the baby? Oh, grab again. Okay. Okay, good. Come on, sing with us now, gang. See you tonight. Mike Keefley. What a dancer, yeah? She'll come back. She'll come back. Oh, she will come back in a little bit. Thank you, Mikey.